Selective dry cow therapy is becoming the norm on many dairy farms. Farmers are under increasing pressure to reduce antibiotic usage as requested by their milk buyers. At Crichton Royal Farm, selection criteria is very strict as to which cows receive antibiotics at drying off and those that do not. This is based on the last 3 recordings before drying off, and any cow with a somatic cell count in the last 3 recordings between 10,000 and 99,000 receive no antibiotics and an internal teat sealant only. Drying off takes place after milking. It is treated as a separate job and time is dedicated to carrying out the procedure as cleanly and hygienically as possible. 2 people are always present during drying off. The staff wear plastic sleeves with milking gloves on top, and a clean pair of each is used in between cows. Teats are prepared for drying off with the same procedure as before milking. The teats are cleaned with a pre-dip. Teats are then wiped clean and dried with a separate milking cloth for each cow. Disinfection takes place using cotton wool soaked in surgical spirit to thoroughly disinfect the teats, with 1 swab used per teat. The order of teat disinfection is very important, starting with the furthest away teats first. Teat sealant is then inserted in reverse order, tubing the closest teats first. The insertion technique is also important. Pinch the base of the teat and insert the sealant. When the syringe is almost fully emptied, withdraw the syringe and deposit a small quantity of sealant in the teat canal. Do not massage it into the udder. This ensures the sealant remains in the teat canal for maximum protection against infection. Lastly, apply a post-milking teat dip. Allow the cows to stand for at least 30 minutes to allow the teat end to close. Only then can they be allowed access to their dry cow accommodation. The dry cow environment can have a significant effect on the infection risk during the dry period. Avoid overstocking dry cow facilities. Straw courts should have plenty of space, ideally 1.25 square metres per 1,000 litres of herd average production. Calving pens should be cleaned out daily. Cubicles should also be scraped and bedded every day. And if dry cows are at grass during the summer months, they should be on pasture which has been rested for 4 weeks and grazed for 2. There is a place for using antibiotics in high cell count cows at drying off, but they should never be used routinely. Selective dry cow therapy can be done successfully at no detriment to udder health, and this will greatly help to reduce antibiotic usage in the herd.